And this is, of course, your Sir John Calub, and welcome to Success TV. Ngayon, meron tayong special guest no, sa ating programa ngayon kasi meron tayong ilo-launch na bagong speaker na naman natin na makakasama natin sa ating Yes to Success portal, the Philippines' first and only edutainment portal. Pero ako, excited ako kasi grabe ito, no? Yung, I think in the changing times, especially because we experienced a lot of grief, anxiety, yung, maraming nangyari during COVID times at nagre-recover pa lang pong Pilipinas. Very, very timely itong magiging training na ito na magiging part na pwede nyo nang mapanood sa Yes to Success portal. And with me, joining me today is no other than the Philippines' #1 happiness teacher and guru. Ayan, let's all welcome dito sa ating Yes to Success portal. Let's all welcome Bryson Bonsol.
Yes, thank you so much, Sir John. And of course, yes to success. And I'm excited na matutunan ninyo ang ibabahagi ko about happiness at kung paano ito makakatulong sa all areas of your life.
Yes, Bryson, I've been following you since years ago na, no? And we worked together. And I think a lot of people kasi they're trying to go for money. Actually, part kasi ng first step, no? In your evolution to succeed. Pero as we go along, you realize that at the end of the rainbow, it's not all money, no? Kasi talaga sa punot dulo niyan, we're searching for happiness and fulfillment. Coach Bryson, matanong ko lang, siguro first, what inspired you to create this program?
Kasi since high school pa lamang ako, Sir John, mahilig na po ako magbigay ng talk. So nag-start ako sa theater, leadership training, theater acting workshop. Tapos nung naging professional teacher na po ako, sabi ko, okay, tapos may calling. Actually, I attended your workshop noon, yung success workshop noon sa SMX. At habang ma-attend ako ng workshop na yon, may naririnig akong may message akong nare-receive. While the workshop is ongoing, dalawa kayo na ni Sir Pido sa SMX. Ang nare-receive ko noon, that was in 2012. Ang sabi, Bryson, itatag mo na yung company mo. Bryson, itatag mo na yung company mo. For some reason, sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung paano magsimula. Wala akong alam sa business. Happy na ako sa work ko, sa Ateneo na nasa campus minister. So, March 31 yun, I remember. And then, so I think 2 weeks or 3 weeks later, dun ko po tinatag yung company ko. Tapos sabi ko, okay, ano yung magiging focus ng company? Kasi marami na
parang bigla mo na-receive yung calling mo. During that, parang nagkaroon ka ng awakening na
yes, sir.
Tinatawag ka na na this is kumbaga, the service to humanity na ibibigay mo.
Yes po, kahit na hindi ko alam kung paano mag-start then, sabi ko, okay, so simulan na natin. Tapos sabi ko, okay, ano yung magiging focus naman ng aking company? Kasi marami na nagbibigay ng talk ng mga team building, leadership. And then sabi ko, okay, masiyahin naman akong tao. Why not share the gift of happiness? Kasi po nung 2010, I read a book, I chanced a book, yung title ng book is The How of Happiness, written by Dr. Sonia Lubomirsky. It's the science and psychology of happiness. Nung nabasa ko po ito, sabi ko magandang ibahagi ito sa mga tao. Kaya po nung 2012, nung tinatag ko na po yung company ko, yun po yung naging purpose ko ngayon na ibahagi sa mga tao kung paano maging masaya. Kaya nung parang 2013, yun, nag-start na po ako, or 2014, nag-start na ako magbigay ng happiness workshop.
Yun, grabe. Yan, grabe, no? At I think hindi lang isa, libo na, no? Tama ba ako? Libo na ang nabigyan mo ng trainings na ganito. Kasi sa eskwelahan, in traditional academic education, hindi naman tayo tinuruan how to bring out happiness, joy, fulfillment, di ba?
Yes.
Medyo meron, pero siguro napaka-nipis, no? In our traditional curriculum natin sa school. Ako para sa akin, I agree with you that it's very important. Kasi nakakagulat, no? I am, personally, I even have a lot of high-level CEO clients or even mga talagang, mga billionaires na nakakagulat minsan because when I start coaching them, at the end of the rainbow, you realize parang, ang talagang, nila, no? Common na complaint nila, I'm not happy. Oo, so, para sa'yo, ano yung ma-expect ng mga tao dito? Ano ba yung title ng program? At ano yung ginagawa dito? And what can people expect from this workshop na ginagawa mo?
So simple lang po yung title, Sir John. The title is The Happiness Workshop. Kasi tatrabahuin talaga natin yung happiness natin. So what they can expect, pag tinrabaho nila yung happiness, ito po, supported po ito ng science to. Ang sabi from the Psychological Bulletin, yung team ni Dr. Sonia Lubomirski, siya po ay isa kasing psychologist. Kung ako ay happiness teacher, I would say she is a happiness expert because for decades, pinag-aralan talaga nila kung ano ba talaga nagbibigay ng saya sa mga tao. And they found out, ang sabi nila, if you work on your happiness, working on your happiness, the research suggests will not only make you feel better, but will also boost your immune system, will of course boost your, papaganahin niya yung maayos na relationship mo, papahabain yung buhay mo, mas magiging productive ka. And sinasabi rin nila na yung mga masiyahing tao can earn more money. So ngayon, okay pala ito Pag tinrabaho mo pala yung happiness mo, all the other things na chine-chase ng mga tao, hinahabol-habol ng mga tao, ay kusa na lang susunod. So kaya yung formula ay sana ganito, happy plus, so happiness, plus health, o happy, healthy, wealthy, yung pala yung tatlo para nagtatapos sa letter Y. So, happy ka, because you're happy, mas gaganahan ka, lalakas yung immune system mo, makakapagtrabaho ka, magagawa mo yung mga gusto mo, yung passion mo, and then of course, you'll be wealthy. So, happy, healthy, and then wealthy.
Ika nga nila, di ba, laughter is the best medicine.
Ayan.
And I agree with you, because in what I teach naman, in the universal laws of prosperity and abundance, as you well know, manifestation begins with thought and feeling. And syempre, pag mababa yung vibrational rate mo or vibration mo, lagi kang malungkot, madamdamin, mainitin ang ulo, hindi ka na-attract mo puro negative things. Pero pag lagi kang masaya, ang namamagnet mo papunta sa'yo is all mga blessings and things that will make you even more happy or happier. So, with that, Bryson, I'm very excited. Para sa mga nanonood sa atin, kaya ako po na-invite si Coach Bryson dito. Kasi meron tayong revolutionary technology na ginamit. We created a platform called Yes to Success. This is our portal. You can go to this website and eventually, lahat itong mga mga faculty members natin who are millionaires and billionaires will be equipping you with self-improvement seminars. And this is a wide range from in all areas of life, hindi lang po sa pera. Katulad nito, this is all about happiness. And ang maganda nito, kahit nasa abroad kayo, if you're a Filipino, you're maybe in the US, you're in Taiwan, or even in Dubai, you can now watch all of these trainings in the comfort of your home. And excited ka ba, Bryson, na dahil dito sa ating programa ng ating kumpanya, ay magiging available na online for the very first time.
Yes.
Ang iyong seminar na pwede nang panoorin ng kahit sinong Pilipino around the world.
Yes, sir. Sobrang excited po kasi noon, face-to-face lang kailangan Ngayon, napakadali lang. I-click lang nila. Tapos malalaman na po nila yung secrets kung paano maging masaya. At yung secrets na ito, yung mga tips dito, very practical and supported by science and psychology. So, ibig sabihin, pag napanood nila yon, pumunta sila sa website, nag-participate sila, makikita nila yung benefits sa buhay nila, magbabago.
Wow, so abangan niyo yan. And what caught my attention is also part of the program is you're also teaching yung exercise na tinatawag na laughter yoga. Can you give us just maybe a bit about that?
Okay po. So, ang laughter yoga po, nag-originate po siya sa India at ang nagpasimula po nito ay isang medical doctor na si Dr. Madan Kataria. Ang pag-aaral niya na kahit pala peke yung tawa, ay yung benefits ng tunay na tawa ay nakukuha rin ng katawan. So, ito ay kakaibang yoga dahil hindi po kailangan ito ng yoga mat. So, kahit anong suot mo, kahit minsan pagka nagpa-facilitate ako nito sa mga corporate na naka-corporate attire sila, pwedeng gawin yung laughter yoga at may benefit ito for the mind because pag tayo tumatawa, so dun sa ating online course, mapapanood nila at masasabayan nila na pagka tumawa sila, magre-release ang central nervous system ng endorphins. Ito ay isang neurotransmitter na magpapasaya sa atin, and it will also boost and protect our immune system. So, maganda sa mind, maganda sa katawan, maganda rin siya sa heart, physically sa heart, dahil this is equivalent to an internal jogging. So, para na tayong nag-zumba or nag-aerobics pag tayo ay tumatawa gamit yung mga steps doon sa laughter yoga.
Ayaw ko pangunahan yung video na mapapanood nila sa portal natin. But basically, parang non-stop laughing exercise. And tawa ka ng tawa. And it's like parang muscular. And at the same time, meron siyang energy na nagfo-flow, no?
So, ang maganda po doon, while it's physical, it's also spiritual. And si Sir John mention niya yung energy. So, napapataas yung vibration natin ito. So, ibig sabihin, kung gusto mo talagang pataasin ka agad yung vibration mo, immediately, yung effect mararamdaman mo rin. So, pati yung attraction na ina-attract mong maganda ay lalapit ka agad sa'yo, effortlessly. Ang effort na lang doon, kailangan ibibigay todo mo yung pagtawa, which is napakasarap namang gawin.
Yeah, so abangan niyo po yan, no? And this will be already made available to you through the Yes to Success portal natin. Now, Coach Bryson, siguro as a last, no? First of all, I'm very proud, no, na from humble beginnings, you attended my seminar and you are now a multi-millionaire. Ka na rin, no? Nakapundar ka na ng mga assets mo. I'm very proud of you, no, na isa ka sa mga natulungan ng John Callo Training Center. And now you're going to be part of our faculty to spread, no, yung self-improvement by way of your very, very dynamic signature course mo na all about happiness. So any last message to our viewers? Would you like to personally invite them to subscribe and maybe really gamitin sa kanilang buhay itong course na ito?
Yes, so ito yung isa na I would say karirin talaga ninyo kasi pag tinrabaho natin yung happiness ninyo, pag inuna nyo yan, all other things will follow. Kaya pagka kayo ay nag-enroll dito, I also invite you to share this with your friends. Kasi alam niyo, hindi lang ito personal na ikaw lang mag-isa eh. Tinutulungan natin yung mundo. This is our humble contribution first to our country and to the world. Na alam niyo, since all of us are connected, pag ikaw ay masaya, pati yung mga mahal mo sa buhay sasaya. Pag sila masaya, pati ikaw masaya. So hindi tayo damutan na ako lang dapat masaya. No, pag ikaw masaya, yung energy mo nagre-radiate yan. Pag yung ibang tao masaya, yung energy nila nagre-radiate rin. So ibig sabihin, magiging mas masaya yung mundo natin. At there's no scarcity, no? Walang kulang. Lahat tayo ay abundantly blessed. So pagka tinrabaho natin yung happiness natin, makikita mo gagaan yung daloy ng mga pagpapala sa buhay mo at sa buhay ng mga mahal mo.
Wow, there you have it. All right, all the way from our number one happiness teacher ng buong bansa, Coach Bryson Bonsol. At ayun po, no, all you have to do is to check out yung link natin to be able to check out our website para kayo po ay makasubscribe and you can view all of these trainings na ating ina-upload dito sa ating portal. And with that, ito po ang inyong lingkod, together of course with Coach Bryson Bonsol, and tulad ng lagi namin sinasabi, always say yes
To success!